Welcome to the fascinating world of biology, where we explore the wonders of life. Today, we will be taking a closer look at plants, the foundation of life on Earth. Plants are the primary producers of food and oxygen on our planet. They are the source of life for all living organisms, including humans. Agriculture, forestry, and horticulture are some of the industries that rely heavily on plants. From the food we eat to the clothes we wear, plants play a vital role in our daily lives. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of plants, their structure, function, and the role they play in our ecosystem. So, let's dive in and discover the amazing world of plants. Plants have a unique structure that allows them to survive and thrive in different environments. Let's take a closer look at the different parts of a plant. The roots are the underground part of the plant that anchors it to the ground and absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. The stem is the above-ground part of the plant that supports the leaves, flowers, and fruits. It also transports water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. The leaves are the primary site of photosynthesis, where the plant converts sunlight into energy. They also help regulate the exchange of gases between the plant and the environment. The flowers are the reproductive structures of the plant, where pollination occurs, leading to the formation of fruits and seeds. The fruits are the mature ovary of the plant that contain seeds. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal and reproduction. The structure of a plant varies depending on its species and environment. Some plants have adapted to survive in extreme conditions, such as deserts or the Arctic tundra. For example, cacti have evolved to store water in their stems and have spines instead of leaves to reduce water loss. In contrast, plants in the rainforest have large leaves to capture sunlight and abundant rainfall. Plants in wetlands have adapted to survive in waterlogged soil, with specialized roots that allow them to breathe and absorb nutrients. Understanding the structure of plants is essential for gardeners and farmers to grow healthy and productive crops. In the next segment, we will explore the function of plants and their role in the ecosystem. Plants have many functions that are essential for the survival of all living organisms on Earth. One of the primary functions of plants is photosynthesis, where they convert sunlight into energy and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Forests are the lungs of the Earth, producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Plants also provide food and habitat for a diverse range of animals, from insects to mammals. Trees provide nesting sites and shelter for birds and other animals. Flowers provide nectar and pollen for bees and other pollinators, which are essential for the reproduction of many plant species. Plants are also a source of food and fiber for humans. From grains and vegetables to cotton and timber, plants provide us with the resources we need to survive and thrive. Plants also have medicinal properties, with many plant-derived drugs used to treat a range of diseases, from cancer to malaria. Understanding the function of plants is essential for scientists and policymakers to develop sustainable solutions to global challenges, such as climate change and food security. For example, renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power rely on the photosynthetic process of plants to produce energy. As our world becomes increasingly urbanized, it is more important than ever to recognize the vital role that plants play in our ecosystem and to protect and preserve them for future generations. In the next segment, we will explore the different types of plants and their unique characteristics. There are over 300,000 known species of plants, each with unique characteristics and adaptations. One type of plant is the fern, which reproduces through spores and has no flowers or seeds. Another type of plant is the coniferous tree, which has needle-like leaves and produces cones instead of flowers. The most diverse and abundant group of plants are the flowering plants, which produce seeds enclosed in a fruit. Succulents are plants that have thick, fleshy leaves or stems that store water, allowing them to survive in arid environment. Carnivorous plants are plants that have adapted to obtain nutrients by trapping and digesting insects and other small animals. Aquatic plants are plants that grow in water, with adaptations such as floating leaves and specialized roots that allow them to absorb nutrients from the water. Desert plants are plants that have adapted to survive in hot and dry environments, with adaptations such as water-storing stems and leaves that reduce water loss. Rainforest plants are plants that have adapted to the high rainfall and humidity of tropical rainforests, with adaptations such as large leaves and aerial roots. Temperate forest plants are plants that have adapted to the seasonal changes of temperate climates, with adaptations such as deciduous leaves that fall off in the winter. Understanding the different types of plants and their unique characteristics is essential for gardeners, farmers, and scientists to cultivate and preserve plant species. In the final segment, we will explore the importance of plant conservation and the threats facing plant species around the world.